Hey, and welcome back to Wax Nostalgic. Dave here, and it's Monday. It's Donruss Monday, so today we are going to be looking at a pack of 1992 Series 2. Don't open a whole lot of these. I never really cared for the design. I think the quality of the cards are nice. But I've never been huge on the design, so let's see what we got going on in here. We've got Jim Lindemann, Steve Lyons, Jack Armstrong, Mike Humphreys, Carney Lansford, Reggie Harris, Checklist. All right, Benito Santiago, National League All-Star card. Bruce Ruffin, Larry Anderson, Joe Carter, nice. Paul McClellan, Jeff Mutis, rated rookie, Mark Leonard, and Lance Blankenship. All right. Definitely going to go with Benito Santiago as the king of the pack. As always, if you enjoy, please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.